Hi guys, Alex here from Social Corner Graphics, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change the colors in our templates and also how you can work with shape layers. So let's get started. If you have been watching previous tutorials in this series, I explained to you how the structure of our files is ordered, how you can replace the images, how you can change the fonts and make them your own, and also how you can change their colors. And now in this one, I'm going to explain to you how you can change the colors and also how you can work with shape layers. So everything is made using shape layers. So all of these images, these frames, these lines, buttons, these white backgrounds and so on, all of it is made using shape layers. We also have some background colors right here. So in this particular template, in this one and so on, you have a color for the text in these ones and so on and so on. All of it is made using shape layers. Now to change the color on the shape layer, it's extremely simple. Any shape layer has this mark on it. Simply double click right here. This color dialog will pop up and you can simply select the color and it will update it to that color. You can go through and change it to different colors, or you can paste your hex code right here if you have it for your brand and your logo. So that's how easy it is to change the color of your shape layer. Now, if you want to change the color of this button, for example, open up this folder by clicking on this little arrow right here. Locate the BTN, which is shorter for button. Open it up one more time and you can see BTN right here in the middle, as well as the swipe up, which is the text. Simply locate the shape layer. As you can see, it has this mark on it. Double click on it so you can choose some different color, and you can also go through these colors and you can change it. Updates in real time, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to explain about the lines, because lines are also shape layer. In this folder you can see top line and bottom line, because top line is at the top obviously and bottom line is at the bottom, so that's why they are ordered like so here in this folder. So both of them are shape layers, but instead of changing the colors, so for example double clicking and then go to this color or this one and so on and so on, you can simply click on the first one, hold Control, click on the second one, press A on your keyboard, and you have what's called a fill right here. So when you click on the fill and click right here, you can change the color in that way. They don't update in real time, but when you click OK, you can see they are going to change their colors. So as you can see, they are now orange, but before that they were black. So that's how you work with multiple shape layers. And now one final thing that I want to explain is the frames. So basically anything works with the shape layers, and all of these techniques will work whether you downloaded, now these are Instagram stories in this example, but if you downloaded Facebook post, for example, or Pinterest posts, they will work exactly the same, because every single product has exactly the same file structure, and all of the same techniques were used to create each and every one of them. So click on the frame. It's also a shape layer, but if I press A on my keyboard, you can see that there is no fill color, but there is a stroke of 3 points. What that means is this frame is empty in the middle and it only has color on the outside. So once again, if I press A, you can see it has a color, which is 262626 in this example. You can change it to red, for example, press OK, and you can see it updates in the real time. But as you can see, we have this empty space where the text goes. So if I go Control Z to go back, you can see the empty space right here, so the text can be fit in the middle. How you can do that is you have a mask right here. So the mask is this white layer here, and when you want to change what's inside or outside of the mask, you can click on it, press B on your keyboard for the brush. You can click on the right click and reduce the size of this brush so you can easily work with when you zoomed in. And now we have a white color on top right here. and when you click in paint, it will show. But if you replace it, let me go back. If you replace it and place the black color on top, it will hide it. Now, as you can see, I'm using faded brush, but you can right click on this regular brush, and when you hide it, as you can see, here is how it looks like. Now, why is this important? So for example, you have this travel tips hashtag right here, but if you want to use something longer, so for example this one, as you can see, it goes outside of that frame and it clashes. So then you're going to use rectangular marquee tool, select the area you want, simply click B, click on that frame, and then simply paint so you can remove that extra space around the text so you can fit it a bit better. So that's how easy it is to work with shape layers. Once again, all of it will work no matter which product you purchased, and you can always go back to this video and watch this video series if you want to learn more about how you can use our products and about some tips and tricks and some shortcuts that are going to help you work even faster.